These are the best cat videos from the past 10 years.
Days. I just got off work, so don't look up here.
Part 2, double mom hug. Ready, meters?
Oh, it's cold.
This cat hides from the security camera just like James Bond.
No, do not come over here, Loki. Do not come over.
This cat was doing sports even underneath the car.
He just flung cat litter out of the box. He's probably gonna do it again. Oh my god.
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
So what is he trying to say?
Eres un gato con questa cosa qua. Oh!
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Is this cat drinking or flirting?
Stop it. Stop. What are you doing?
Fuera.
Are you gonna pray or someone else is gonna pray?
This mommy cat should be the great guardian angel for this kid. The owners of this old cat decided to introduce him to a new kitten. This cat was puzzled when she heard the owner's voice come from a security camera.
This, you can do it. You can do it, Snowball. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Oh.
If you ever wanted to see a Batman cat, then now you can do it.
Eres un músico.
¡El cielo se cae, hijo chico little! ¡El gato!
Unfortunately, Oliver, as you know, your sales have not increased, for this month. So unfortunately, we have decided that we will need to be letting you go. This behavior is not professional, and I will be calling security. Security! Ah!
Why are you...
These cats are an example of a toxic and suffocating relationship.
Girl, stop. Jesus Christ.
Yo, you wanna see something cool? No? Well, I'm gonna do it anyway.
Bro, look at this.
This cat is so hungry that he wants to rob an automatic feeder. This cat was supposed to star in The Lion King.
Do you like your new tie? It makes you look very handsome.
This cat is so good at tricks and can compete with Jackie Chan.
It's a little flip.
I'm trying to sleep. What? Hey, no bite! No biting.
Stop. Shut up.
Oh my god!
This cat took an example from monkeys.
Walter, I heard the brain cells nearby. Yeah, you gotta go get it. It's over there. Go get the brain cell. Go get it.
Oh, that's a good kitty, I say as I pet on Kitty.
No, I'm evil, Kitty.
Said evil Kitty.
This cat was being bullied, so he decided to call his best friend for help.
Anywhere else. I don't want my face touched. I had acne.
This bald cat goes to the spa more often than me. That's how Tom and Jerry met.
You got your clutch, you got your brake, you got your throttle, you got your gear lever, AFR gauge, fan switch, steering wheel. You got all that?
What do you want? I don't know.
That's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed this special video that I made, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.